So on these remotes from Prestige, this is going to cover 3 models, actually 4. The older one, which is the silver 5bcr03, which they don't make and haven't made for some time, but for anybody who has one of those, most likely owns this one, or if not, if you need one, you can get one of these from us. This is the 5bcr07p. The 5bcr05p is pretty much the same thing, except the finish was like a carbon fiber. Now it's just a flat black, which isn't much to look at, but I can understand why they did it, because the paint used to rub off and it used to get a little ugly. But as far as actually using this remote and programming it, this is what this video is all about. So let's get to it. Now on there you see you got the 2 side buttons, which is remote start, channel 3, and then you have the option button. Over here, lock unlock, and then you have the F function button. So let's just say we wanted to get in there and program the clock. What you're going to do is hold down that F button. Okay, now you see that the hour is blinking. Now it says 10:29 p.m. Now let's just say it's 9:30 a.m. Now the left button is going to do the hour up, and the right button is going to do the hour down. So it's going to be quicker if we do up. Got 8. Hit the F button, the function button. That'll toggle it to the next, which is the minutes. 8:31 it is. The clock is done. Hit the function button. Now that little icon there for the clock, what that's all about is if you wanted to remote start your vehicle for the same time every single day, say for work, you can initiate this, turn on this clock, set it for whatever time you want it to be. Oop. If you wait too long, it'll time out and go back to the menu. So keep hitting the function button until you get what you want. Now there's the clock timer again. So let's just say we want to get to work at 9, so you want to get up at 8 o'clock. Down to 8, function button to go to the minute, 8 o'clock on the dot. Now this is the tone that you're going to hear when you could use these buttons same way you do for the minutes to change the song. That's a cool tune. Let's go with that. Function. Now this says off. You hit that button, again the green button, that'll turn it on and turn it off. And this here is just a stopwatch feature, so if you want to activate that, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just turn it to the amount of minutes you want it to be. Say 30 minutes. And that's just the tune that's going to play after 30 minutes. So say if you go to a parking meter and you got 30 minutes to do what you got to do before you get back and get a ticket, potentially, set it for 30 minutes and the remote will tell you when your time's up and you have to get back to that car. And also, you keep hearing that beep. That's the second time this has done that to me. It's a little impatient. So after about 15 seconds, when you're in programming mode, you can't sit there and lollygag. You're going to have to get in there, do your programming. After 15 seconds, it will time out and go back to the home screen. Okay? And that's really all there is to it, to programming these remotes. And of course, if you push it once, the LED comes on so you can see the light. No big deal. So that there is a 5bcr07p. And this one here is the newer model, which is the 10p, which works with the APS997C. Same kind of deal. You can see lock unlock. You got the function button. Same thing, channel 2 and 3. The green button, option channel 4. Except this one takes it a step further, where you can program 2 buttons simultaneously and create 5, 6, and the 7th channel on this system, which is nice. But the program, same kind of deal. Hold down function. And also this one has a blue LCD background as opposed to the other one has the amber. So you see the hours blinking. Same thing. This button, hour up. This one, hour down. Make it where you gotta get it. Click it to toggle over to the minutes. Change to how you need it to be. Function. There's the alarm again. Hit it again. Minute for the alarm. Again. This is the tune that it's going to play. Oh. one's got 5, I believe, like the other one. Yep, you got 5 to choose from. None of them are my favorites, but whatever. And that's it. And if you sit there and wait that certain amount of seconds, it should go deep and leave and go back to the home screen. I'll just give it a sec. And there you go. Clock's working, lights out. Now you could use the remote normally. Pretty straightforward.